Hi everyone, my name is Michelle and I make time-lapse videos of how I did my paintings. For this painting, I am painting the famous Mount Fuji. This is a photo taken by a family member during her holiday in Japan. This video is 12 minutes long. I'm not going to be talking a whole lot in this video, so you can play with 2 times the speed if you prefer. I first covered my oil-primed canvas with a light blue color that was mixed with Sensador. I then sketched the image with a darker blue. I have no idea why I chose to sketch with a blue color. I guess I was thinking that if I sketch it with raw umber, it would be too contrast with the whole image, which is basically just blue. But this is really like I'm shooting myself in the foot, because towards the end I had a hard time covering up this blue sketch. Usually I would block in the first layer of color for the whole painting and still add on a second or a third layer. For this painting I used much lesser medium and the background looks good with just 1 layer. Actually, the mountain itself does look good as well with only 1 layer of color. But the next day when I looked back at it, I found it to be too bluish. So I repainted it with a more grayish and also whiter color. I then painted in the branches for the trees. At this point, the background was mostly dry. adding the leaves, I really need to learn how other artists paint trees because my green is always so transparent. It's super hard to have enough coverage to cover the painting below. If you know how, please help me out by leaving a comment down below. Here I am adding a tiny bit of Sensido and linseed oil. I do not like to paint straight from the tube because it's too viscous for my liking and it takes a lot more days to dry. I mostly work with 50% Sensido and 50% linseed oil. With this, it dries in just a day or two. Painting the darker leaves that are in shadow, here's where you can see I struggled to cover the blue sketch below. I left the top of the leaves here as it will be painted by white as the snow later on. In the reference photo, the area that receives sunlight, the note will be in white and there will be some shadow which will be in grey. Whereas those under the shade, the snow would be depicted in blue. At first I was quite worried that this would be too blue to look real for the snow under the shade, but it turned out pretty good when you look at the painting as a whole. How would you score this painting? Please do leave a comment down below. Thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!